Hey Israel, I'm Dan. Nice to meet you. Even though we haven't met in person yet, we have a mutual friend in Peter who referred me to you. So, I just wanted to. I've been sending you some leads, some customers. Some are through form submission through my website. Some you've gotten calls through it, and I just want to show you a little bit more on how my whole system works. And if you have any questions, you can just call me, text me. I even need some work done on my house right now because we're getting ready to sell it. Um, so maybe we can meet in person, but we can talk about that after. But here's a little bit about what I do, and I do this for Peter as well. And I'll show you a little bit of how I do it for him too. So um, basically, I make a website and I get the phone to ring for business owners. So you're a landscaper. I made this website, and say if somebody Googles landscaper Riverside, all these people are going to come up, right? So this right here is called the map pack, and this is the organic listing. So this is how people search for services they need, right? So as you can see here, this one is number one. And this one is mine. This is the one that's been giving you phone calls and submissions from that form. I know one of those phone calls was some guy, Ramon. He was looking for a job. I couldn't really understand the whole thing because he was speaking in Spanish, but um, what I got from it, he was looking for a job. I think he sent me a couple messages on the Facebook too. But anyway, so this is landscaping Riverside. That's mine. So if you click on there, this is my website. And when people are requesting service, they fill this form out right here, okay? And they put their name, their phone number, their email, and they write in here the services they need, okay? And when that gets filled out, that gets sent to um, the website. So uh, let's see. I think this is one of the ones I sent you. They send this to me. It has their name, their phone number, their email address, and this one was quote for commercial landscape installation. So I'll take a picture of that and I send it to you. Um, let's see, we got another one here. This one was from John Cole in Eastvale. He lives in the enclave. I have no yard grass. I have no yard for grass to be mowed, but I do have hedges, plants to be trimmed, and weeds to be pulled. Not sure if we need any other service for the week or once a month or whatever. So I sent you that one. Let's see. Yeah, those are old ones. Um, yeah, we already looked at that one. Um, so that was for the Corona one that I just started making. And I have one, oops, this is Riverside. Okay, where's Riverside? Okay, Riverside. See, there's the form entries right here for Riverside Landscaping. And here was one from a couple days ago. This one I sent you a couple days ago. I have a small yard. I need landscaping for it. It has a couple of boulders. I'm open to different options. It's hard to explain. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so these are the form submissions. Also, we get um, calls, right? So this website just started, right? So we got this Riverside Landscaping, and the call on the 21st and the 20th. I think you spoke to this guy. Ramon, right? He needed a job.
Few. Because today I am really busy and tomorrow too.
No problem. That's good news. That'll work. How about Monday afternoon sometime?
Yes, that's perfect in the afternoon Monday.
Oh, okay. That was the guy from Moreno Valley. And I think so you got, uh, you set it up with him. So I have this phone number right here, 951-333-7977. That is the number on the website. That's the number on the website. So when people call, they're going to call. Let's see. It's not there, but if they hit call now, that's the number that it's going to call. And I forward that, and that phone call goes to your cell phone number. And also, if they text, they can text that number too. Oops. What just happened? Log me out. Sorry. I don't know what happened. All right, let's log back in. Okay, so they can also send you a text through that number, and I'll show you right now as soon as it loads. Sorry, it's kind of slow today. All right, so you got text leads, we got call leads, so these will be the call leads. And that guy Ramon, I think he called you these 2 times right here from that 410 number, right?
Aló.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Buenas tardes. ¿Se me escucha?
Sí, ¿quién habla? Buenas tardes.
¿Qué tal? Mi nombre es Ramón.
Oh yeah, that was the Ramon guy looking for a job. Okay, so those 2 calls we wouldn't even count those. Those would be, those aren't qualified calls. But we also get text, right? So you'll see when you told that guy from Moreno Valley to text you, he texts you right here. Hey Israel, this is Ted. See you Monday around 4:30. My address is blah 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 blah. Right? And then you text him back. Hello Ted. At which number should I contact you? This number or the 310. I'll be working on your property on Sunday. So you get text messages too. So you get text, you get call, you get email, and also we have Facebook as well. So I set up a Facebook profile um, for this website also. Riverside Landscaping right here. And we're going to go to notifications, and I get, let's see, I do get messages here. Messages. I don't know how to see the messages here yet. Anyway, I think I sent you one from here. And if you have Facebook, I can set you up on there too. I'm not sure how to see them. I can see them on my phone. I'm not sure how to see them here. But yeah. So anyway, back to that. That is that's what I do. That's what I do for Peter. I do the same thing for him, and he's getting about 20 to 25 calls a month right now for the handyman website that I have, and I can show you. Let's see. So this is Peter right here, Handyman Riverside. So if we go to that, sorry, hit the wrong button. If we go to Peter, click on here, Dashboard. Teams. Here we go. View stats and dashboard. And we can see total entries for this website is 41. And you can see he gets quite a few. And need to have bathroom painted, patchwork caulking. This person needed moving small 3/4 rocks. This person, I need support anchor for section of my raised flooring space. Just moved into a new house. Previous owners, for whatever reason, are missing a support anchor. Okay, so he gets quite a bit of those form entries, and also he gets calls too, just like for these landscaping sites. I am working on a Corona site, and I'm going to continue to build, landscaping sites, handyman sites. So, if you want to grow your business, I'm happy to help. We can grow your business. We can get those calls coming in, and basically how I charge. I like to do a flat monthly fee, but when we're just starting out, I like to send leads in advance for free, so you can kind of see how the system works with what I've been doing with you. I'll text you a picture of the submission forms. I have your phone number set up on there, so they call you, and when they call, you can hear it in your ear. It'll say, "Call from Riverside Landscaping," and that's the way it's calling from this tracking number. We can. So this is how I decide how we're gonna charge and work out a deal that's fair for everybody. So say the average ticket of your service is $250, right? That's for average a low monthly check average, right? Then we get 10 calls per month, and your profit margin is 40%. That's before advertising, and you close 40% of those customers, right? So you got 4 total new customers. Your total monthly revenue for those customers is $1,000. Your total monthly profit after everything is taken out, after your 40% profit margin, is $400, right? So I should charge anywhere from $10 to $16 per lead, or about $160 $100 to $160 a month. But right now, I think, just because we're starting out and things are new and you're kind of learning the system, I think $10 per lead is fair. Just let me know what you think. You want to continue? The calls are going to get bigger and bigger, and more. So you'll see when we start doing 40 calls a month with that low check at $250 a month, keep that at 40%, keep the close rate at 40%. Total monthly revenue is $4,000. Your profit after expenses is $1,600, and you're making more money. And I'm building more sites. The more sites I build, the more calls come in. The more people you have to hire, and it's just money fixes everything, right? So you're getting 100 calls a month at 250, 40, and 40. Total monthly revenue is 10,000 for you after 40% profit. That's 4K, and you're making money. I'm making money. Everybody's happy. You're hiring people. You're helping out customers. I'm gonna send this over to you. I'm gonna email you the link, and once you get one of these customers, they're yours for life to do with whatever. People are gonna need sprinkler systems, sodding. Sprinkler systems average $3,500, sodding's $1,000, right? Seeding another $1,000, average monthly maintenance $250 to $500.